Hi there. We are going to move into our rollover prep. There's a few rolling over exercises in the curriculum, and this is a great way to learn the skills to take you into those really fun, challenging exercises. So we're starting lying down, and from here, this really goes back to our imprint skills. Let's take a minute to review that. I'm going to have my feet on the floor. I'm starting with my neutral spine and pelvis, and then I'm shortening that distance between the rib and the hip by really hugging those abs in from the front of the body. When I engage my abdominals, my low back will curve a little bit. I'm not squeezing my butt. Now, what I want you to notice when we're reviewing this right now is that you are not throwing your legs around, right? Your pelvis moves, your low back moves. The legs are attached to your pelvis, but you're not really hiking them around, okay? So the exercise, the rollover prep exercise, we begin with our legs in this turned out tabletop. So from here, if my legs are my usual tabletop, I just cross the ankles and allow the knees to separate. From there, I'm going to do the same exact imprint skill. So you'll see my legs move, but it's because they are still attached to my rest of the body, right? So I'm doing exactly the same thing. I'm doing that imprint. I'm hugging those abs in. I'm bringing the pelvis towards the rib cage. So how far you move really depends on a lot of factors. And in our classes, that's often my answer. It depends. so it depends on what's going on your abdominal wall, how long your legs are relative to your torso, what's going on with flexibility, mobility through that low back. But the essence is the same. Use that imprint skill. Don't worry about what it looks like. You want to practice this. You want to get good at this because that is the essence that will take you over into more of our rollover exercises, and you'll just do it with more efficiency, and it'll feel better too. That's the rollover prep. It's a fantastic foundation exercise. I would do a few with one ankle on top, and then just so you feel balanced, switch ankles and do the same amount with the other leg.